Hey everyone, welcome. Today I want to show you a simple way that you can help your development teams prevent bad open source dependencies from entering your applications by using Tidelift's browser extension and VS Code integration. It's no secret you're probably using a healthy amount of open source to build your applications. And that's great. There are so many quality libraries that can help your development teams accelerate their feature development. But one thing we see a lot of organizations struggle with is not realizing the cost of bad dependency choices and the impact those choices have on long-term risk and technical debt. When your developers are selecting dependencies to use, they're thoughtful. They're excellent at finding dependencies that help them meet functional needs, and they know better than anyone what will work best with your systems. But what we often see is that those developers aren't given the tools that can help them assess security and maintenance practices of the libraries that they want to use while they're trying to make those decisions. This results in unintentional bad bets being placed, and ultimately, it burdens your development team with vulnerabilities, lack of consistent support, unexpected deprecations, and even sometimes flat-out abandonment. Whether you're a member of the security team or you're an engineering manager, the impact of this is the same. It's all work that's preventing you from moving forward and delivering value to the business. So let me show you a better way. With Tidelift, your organization gets access to a wide variety of researched and validated data on the quality of open source packages. You can set the types of risk you care about and help your developers place the best bets they can on the dependencies that they're going to use. Tidelift's tools require minimum effort from your teams to adopt, but can pay big dividends in the long run. It's a really simple way for you to start flattening and turning around the amount of tech debt and risk that's being accumulated in your projects. Here's how it works. Once you tell Tidelift about the risk tolerances and preferences, developers can use Tidelift's browser extension to see how libraries they're interested in stack up against your organization's policies. They'll get a wide view of risk as well as a quick decision on whether or not the release they want to use is allowed. This shifts a lot of the security burden left for you. You don't have to deal with the lengthy request processes, manual research and curation, or for devs to push code that you ultimately tell them they need to change. They can learn early if something's going to be a good bet and adjust accordingly if not. In addition to the browser extension, Tidelift offers a VS Code integration. With this, Tidelift will keep an eye on new dependencies being introduced and warn developers if something's being brought in that contains issues that they should be concerned with. This is a great second layer of protection to make sure you're stopping those bad bets from being placed before they cost you significant time and energy. Unlike other tools that are scanning your code and creating tons of noise all at once for your developers, this integration can sit in the background and only interrupt your team when they might want to reconsider a dependency change they just made. Together, these two integrations are really simple to get up and running in your org, and the sooner you're able to do so, the sooner you'll claw back time from your development teams to work on the things that propel your business forward. If this is something you're interested in, please reach out and we'd love to tell you more about our strategies for improving the resilience of your open source supply chain. And if you're already a Tidelift customer, please let your customer service rep know and we'd be happy to help you get set up with these new tools. Thanks, and I hope you have a great day.